In the last videos, we have discussed what is mean, median, mode and geometric mean. We have also done problems based on that. Now we'll discuss what is this harmonic mean. It is based on the reciprocals of the numbers averaged. Let us see the definition of harmonic mean. The harmonic mean of n values is the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of the reciprocal of the values, and harmonic mean is denoted by h. So harmonic mean of the values, set of n values x1, x2, say xn, is given by h is equals to reciprocal of the values of the arithmetic mean, that is 1 by n times 1 by x1 plus 1 by x2 plus etc. 1 by xn. This denominator of the denominator goes to the numerator. It will be n divided by 1 by x1 plus 1 by x2 plus 1 by xn. So n divided by this 1 by x1 plus 1 by x2 etc. can be written as summation of 1 by x, where this n represents the number of values given in the data. If the given data is tabulated or if it is a discrete or continuous frequency distribution, harmonic mean is given by n divided by summation of f by x, where this capital N is nothing but summation of the frequencies. Now let us see an example. Calculate the harmonic mean of 9.7, 9.8, 9.5, 9.4 and 9.7. Here, this is the individual series given. We need to calculate harmonic mean. So first x values are given. Let us write it: 9.7, 9.8, 9.5, 9.4 and 9.7. Since it is an individual series without frequencies, we should go for the first formula. So let us write down the first formula. H is equals to n divided by summation of 1 by x. So let us calculate 1 by x. 1 by 9.7 is 0.1031. 1 by 9.8 is 0.1020. 1 by 9.5 is 0.1053. 1 by 9.4 is 0.1064. 1 by 9.7 is 0.1031. Since we require summation of these values, that means addition of all these values. Add all these values, I'll get summation of 1 by x as 0.5199. Let me substitute in the formula. H is equals to n is number of values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 values. 5 divided by summation of this value is 0.5199. And if I calculate this, I'll get the harmonic mean value as 9.6172. Now let us see the second example. Find the harmonic mean of the following distribution. So the following distribution is like this. X values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and F values are 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. So by looking at this series, this is a discrete values along with frequency distribution is given. So this is a discrete series. So we need to use this formula. H is equal to n divided by summation of F by x. So n is summation f value. I should add all these values. 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 gives me n, that is 12. 12 divided by summation of f by x means addition of f by x means 2 by 1 plus 4 by 2 plus 3 by 3 plus 2 by 4 plus 1 by 5. That is what we have written it here. So 12 divided by 2 by 1 is 2, 4 by 2 is 2, 3 by 3 is 1, plus 2 by 4 is 1 by 2, plus 1 by 5. If I calculate this value in the calculator, my harmonic mean value will be 2.11. Now let us take up one more example to find the harmonic mean. Find the harmonic mean of the following distribution. Here, class interval along with frequency distribution is given. Class interval is between 0 to 10, its frequency is 15. Between 10 to 20, frequency distribution is 10. Between 20 to 30, frequency distribution is 7. Between 30 to 40, frequency distribution is 5. Between 40 to 50, frequency distribution is 3. So here class interval along with frequency distribution is given. So this problem comes under continuous series. Again, here class interval is given and its frequency distribution is given. Let us write down the formula. H is equals to n divided by summation of f by x. So here x is nothing but midpoint of this class interval. As we have discussed in the geometric mean, To calculate midpoint, I should add lower limit and upper limit divided by 2. 0 plus 10 divided by 2 is 5. 10 plus 20 is divided by 2 is 15. 20 plus 30 divided by 2 is 25. 30 plus 40 divided by 2 is 35. 40 plus 50 divided by 2 is 45. Then I got x values. I'll calculate 1 by x values. 1 by 5, 1 by 15, 1 by 25, 1 by 35, 1 by 45. Then I want f by x. F divided by x values. 15 divided by 0.2 or 15 divided by 5 is 3. 10 by 15 is 0.6670. 7 by 25. 5 by 35. 3 by 45. Then I want summation of this values. So add all these values. Summation of f by x is 4.1566. Now substitute in the formula. This n means addition of the frequency column gives me capital N value. Capital N is nothing but summation f value. That is 40 divided by 4.1566 gives me 9.6232. That is the harmonic mean of the given continuous series. This completes problems on harmonic mean. Thank you.